All right, so this question is one that you will most likely see on STAR. It's a really quick, easy question. It says, which expression is equivalent? So hopefully by now you know that equivalent is just another word for equal. Okay, so they're looking for which of these is equal to this. So our key here is that it's fractions and it's dividing. So I know that the rule for dividing fractions is just keep, change, flip, KCF. The rule for dividing fractions is going to be keep, change, flip. So I'm going to write my KCF on top of my problem here, and that's going to help remind me of the steps that I need to take. So I'm going to keep my first fraction, so I'm just going to leave it exactly the same way. So the first thing I'm going to do is just check my answer choices. Did they keep the fraction? No, they did not, so A cannot be right. Okay, did they keep the fraction? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so now that I've kept, I'm going to change. So your division changes to multiplication. I'm going to put my multiplication dot in the middle. So now I got to check for multiplication. So did they multiply? Yes. Did they? No. So because they left the division, C is wrong. Okay, did they multiply? Yes. So we've eliminated down to B and D. And then our last flip. A flip is also known as a reciprocal. Okay, so you might see the word reciprocal. And that is just a fancy math word that means to flip the fraction over. Okay, reciprocal. So we're going to flip that fraction over. And 9 is going to be on top. 2 is going to be on bottom. So I look, did they flip their fraction? They did not. So B is wrong. Did they flip their fraction? They did. D is our best answer choice. And from there, if I wanted to solve for like an actual fractional answer, I would just do top times top, bottom times bottom, and then that's improper. So I need to make it mixed, which would be 2 7/10. But they aren't asking to solve on this problem. They're literally just asking you to keep it, change it, flip it. They want to know, do you know the rule for dividing fractions?